Merry Christmas everyone, welcome to today's video, day 25, and let me show you this easy red velvet cake. And what else? Today is Christmas, so come along with me. So first of all, we are going to measure out 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour. Sieve that to get rid of any particles and also to incorporate air into the batter. So to make a buttermilk, I just dissolved 2 tablespoons of milk into the cup and I dissolved it with water, and then I'm adding in my vinegar. I'll list all the ingredients in the description box. I was supposed to use 1 teaspoon of vinegar, but I had just 1/4 teaspoon, so I had to improvise. So this is my red food coloring. So use a good brand of red food coloring, and then I added in my cocoa powder, baking powder, baking soda, salt and coffee for that nice aroma and flavor. Mix that up thoroughly. This cake is just so easy to make. These are 2 eggs. I already whisked them. Then I added in my 1 cup of vegetable oil. I'm using golden penny vegetable oil. And then this is my 1 cup of buttermilk. So then it's time to mix the wet ingredients to our dry ingredients. You can see that vibrant red color, right? Yes, that's what we are going for. So the whole list of ingredients will be at the description box. The button where you see more, when you click on it, you are going to see all the ingredients listed there. And if you follow it, you are going to get a perfect red velvet cake. So you can make this cake and share it with your loved ones this period. Then this is my flavor, just half a teaspoon of each of the flavor, the milk flavor and the vanilla flavor. So I greased my foil plates, and then it's time to add boiling hot water. Is there anything like boiling hot water? Boiling water, and then mix it thoroughly to incorporate properly. This is what will give you that moist texture that we want for our red velvet cake. So this is it, all smooth and ready to bake. So at this time you are supposed to be preheating your oven already. And then it's time to pour it into a foil plate. Pour it until it's half of the plate so that when it bakes it won't be too full. You see how lush it looks. So the remaining one, I just decided to pour it in this baking tray so that it won't take long to bake and everything will just bake at once together with the foil ones. So into the oven, this is how the temperature should look like if you're using the manual oven. And after less than 30 minutes, about 15 minutes, you can start checking it to see if it's done. Put your toothpick through it, and if it comes out clean, then it's ready. So while it's still warm, you want to cover it and to trap in the moisture of the cake. So cover it properly, and this is a very presentable gift idea this period. You can gift it to your friends and loved ones. So easy, you see, that's it. Very simple to make and very easy. So pack it up like this and we're done. Thank you for always watching my video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So let's give this a taste and see how it tastes like and what it looks like. So you see how it's pulled out of the foil plate easily. This is nice. The texture was perfect, the taste perfect. You can see how soft and moist it looks. So enjoy. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.